Assalamu alaikum, Abinchi family. Sendemudara Haka. Welcome back to our channel. On today's episode of Cooking with Rihi, we are making proper Shinkaafa da waakye, popularly known as waakye or waakye. I will start by cooking my beans. I will later add baking soda, then stir it a little, cover it to cook. Then in a different pot, I'll cook my meat. Properly washed meat. I'll be adding my pepper mix, my Maggi, salt, and beef spices to taste. I'll add a little water to allow it to cook. Thank you for watching my video up to this point. If you are a new subscriber, kindly click the subscribe button. And if you are old, thank you for coming back to Abinchi by Ruhi's channel. We'll be adding some small sliced onions, then we'll cover the meat to cook. We'll be stirring it in between. You see how succulent my meat looks? Good. At this juncture, my beans is halfway cooked, so I'll be adding my brown rice. That is in Hausa it's called goma. We'll stir it together, add salt, then leave it to cook. I'll then here add my wele, my cow skin to the meat to allow it to also cook as well. When my meat is done, in a different pot, I'll be adding my oil to fry my meat. Because definitely there's no waakye without meat and pomo. We'll fry the meat till it's golden brown. Till it's brown, just like as you see in the video. So in the oil, I'll be adding the remaining pepper mix. We'll be adding some sliced onion, my tomato puree. We'll stir it all together. Then I'll add my homemade tomato paste. The video of the way I made my homemade tomato paste is in my video. I'll be putting the link so that you go check it out and do your own because it tastes better. It tastes nice. Good. At this juncture, my waakye is ready. Wow, just look at it. And my stew is almost done. We'll be adding my pomo with the stock of the meat to allow it to simmer a little. Then we'll add my meat as well. My meat goes in. We'll stir it a little. Then add Maggi and salt to taste. Wow, if you're kondo. And I watch it, zongo stew, so there. Wow, we name Aji zongo niba. We'll be adding my vegetables. Proper waakye stew is done. Yawa, our waakye is ready. I did serve my waakye with some plantain, gari, spaghetti, and salad. What are your waakye combos? Kindly comment in the comment section below. Hope you'll be trying some. Thank you for watching. Assalamu alaikum.